Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Axon ZTE 30. So in order to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here find Firefox browser, select it and download it. When it's ready, click on the Open. Here we can customize the browser, so choose your theme, pick a toolbar placement, change Always On privacy settings, sign up to synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Right here, if we open any website, you can see that the browser works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.